We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry.
Well, it's a season of love, and it's Christmas time. And our first wishes go to His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Tutu II. He's made everything possible for us at the Royal Golf Club to play golf, to enjoy ourselves, and to have fun every time we come here. We wish you well, Nana. We wish you a Merry Christmas. And to all our sponsors, oh my goodness, what would we have done without you? You've been immensely supportive, you've been generous towards us, and you've fully participated in all our activities. We thank you for your sponsorship. We thank you for your continued partnership with the Royal Golf Club. And we say Merry Christmas to you. And to all the golfers, oh, you make this place what it is. We say Merry Christmas. Enjoy the festivities, play golf, think golf, and celebrate golf. Thank you and have a Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you